Welcome back to MS Tech. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at one of the classics when it comes to gaming headsets. Today we have the Razer Kraken 2019 edition. Let's take a look and see if in 2020 it's worth it or not. Now when it comes to design for this headset, there's honestly multiple things about it which I really like and Razer did a really good job with. So the first thing is that there's a thin lining of gel underneath the padding, which is used to pretty much cool your ears and keep it cold when you're gaming for long durations of time. And I can tell you, I tested it, it worked. My ears did not heat up at all. Now, another thing about the ear cups is that they are very, very squishy and soft. And for me, because I don't have glasses, it's just very comfortable. But for people with glasses, it helps out and it doesn't hurt your glasses at all. Because I don't wear glasses, I gave these to my friend for a week to use and try during his Zoom classes, and he told me that he felt no pain whatsoever, and it was really, really comfortable. Now, the OG Krakens used to be able to fold inwards, but unfortunately, these ones can't. It's sad that I had to see it go, but in return, you get some bomb durability. This thing pretty much is a tank, coming in at 343 grams. It is a little bit on the heavier side, but you can feel how sturdy it is, and this thing is not gonna break on you. Because of the sturdiness as well, you do lose a bit of the swivel when it comes to the ear cups, but it's still very comfortable to use. Now, if you look at the cable, you have your classic braided cable. You have your inline controls where you can adjust the volume as you wish, as well as mute and unmute yourself. And if you go all the way down the wire, you find your 3.5mm headphone jack. And inside the box, there's also a headphone splitter, just in case you want to add a bit of length. Now, going to the top of the headset, you have your Razer logo on the headband and you have some thick padding, which is another thing that Razer added because they made the padding on this headset a bit bigger than their previous ones. Now, when it comes to the microphone for the Krakens, you have your regular pull out, push in microphone. This one is a lot smoother than the previous models, I will say, and it's just an overall very nice experience. And the pickup pattern for the microphone is cardioid. And here's a quick sound test of what the mic sounds like. So as you can see right now, I'm talking through the Razer Kraken microphone, and I made sure to ask all my friends in my Zoom classes if they can hear my voice clearly. They all said yes, and pretty much that's all you can really ask from a gaming headset microphone. So on that point of view, it's good. But from a reviewer standpoint, all I can say is it's a microphone that works properly. As you can see, the mic does the job. Now when it comes to sound quality, this headset comes with a 7.1 surround sound system, which you can download just to make that gaming experience a little bit better. When I tested it, it worked really well as I could hear my enemies behind me or wherever they were in the game. Now overall, my experience with this headset have been fairly good so far. I picked this up on Prime Day for a pretty good price and I can't complain. They're really comfortable when I keep them in my ear. They're a bit bass heavy, I will say, when listening to just casual music, but myself, I love bass, so that bass heaviness is no issue for me at all. Gaming with the headset is also very nice. The 7.1 surround sound works phenomenally. And the best part is, after multiple hours of using this headset, my ears do not heat up, which is something I personally value a lot. Overall, I will say that if this headset is on sale, you should definitely pick it up. Unfortunately though, if it's not on sale, I would say the price is a little bit too steep, but then again, you're mainly paying for Razer, the durability, and the comfort. That's something that I value a lot myself, and I personally wouldn't mind spending a little bit more to get that comfort and durability, because I'd much rather pay a little bit more to have a headset that'll last me many years to come than to pay less, have a headset, and have it break in a couple weeks. Thanks for watching. If you stuck around till the end of the video, a like and subscribe is greatly appreciated. It honestly really helps the channel out. With that being said, it's been MS Tech, and as always, stay classy.